Withdrawing money from your Shopify account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer of funds. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials at the Shopify login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage payments and withdrawals. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, go to the Settings option located at the bottom left of the admin panel. From there, select Payments to access your payment settings and transaction details. Step 3. Check your payouts. In the Payments section, look for the Payouts tab. Here, you can view your recent sales and the amounts available for withdrawal. Ensure that your account has sufficient funds for the transfer. Step 4. Set up your bank account. If you haven't already linked your bank account, you will need to do so. Click on the Edit button next to your payout settings and enter your bank account information. Make sure to double check the details for accuracy. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. After confirming your bank account is set up, return to the Payouts tab. Click on the option to withdraw funds and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. You will receive a confirmation once the withdrawal is processed. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from your Shopify account to your bank account. Always keep an eye on your payout schedule to manage your finances effectively.